Hey, it's Gina from WTI. As I'm getting older, I realize that I need to change some of my makeup routines so that I am aging gracefully. I just turned 43 this year, and I'm definitely noticing some changes in my skin texture. Boom by Cindy Joseph has been exactly what I needed. First off, I love that I can apply it really easily and quickly, even when I'm in the car and on the go, which is quite often. My favorite is the Glimmer because it has this really beautiful luminescent shine to it that gives you shimmer without glitter. I really love the shade of the Boomstick color. It's perfect for applying just a really subtle tint to your cheeks or lips or collarbone, or really just anywhere that you want to bring out a little bit of flesh. The moisturizing stick is so lush. I love using it actually on my hands, my face, and really anywhere else that I'm experiencing some dryness, and it gives me instant hydration. I do carry them in my purse with me, and I reapply about halfway through the day. And I do apply the color to my lips pretty often after I've been drinking or eating. My husband is a huge fan of this makeup set. He just says how lovely I look when I wear it, that it's so subtle and natural looking. Although this set has been formulated for women 50 and better, I think really women of any age can be using it. The ingredients are really good and beneficial for your skin, and it just looks so pretty. I highly recommend Boom by Cindy Joseph, and that's my point of view.